Ha! And welcome to Wisdom Dialogues with Hope Johnson, coming to you from Hawaiian beaches on the beautiful big island of Hawaii. I'll be sharing more about how to heal what causes projections of disrespect, okay? Some people had some questions about this post that I did called Respecting Kindness. And it goes, if your kids act disrespectful and you respond as if that's wrong, it increases their disrespect toward you, even if they are too afraid to show it. But if you respond to disrespect with kindness, your children will learn self-kindness, which manifests as respect. The ego's idea of how kids learn is way different from how they actually learn. The common parent often seeds and feeds the behavior they don't like because they use their perception of bad behavior to justify resisting their child rather than embracing them. Now look at this part, okay? Because in resisting their child, that's only a manifestation of resisting your inner child. Only that's what it's a manifestation of that, okay? It's not like you're going to be resistant to your child like, hey, you don't talk to me like that. Unless you're in resistance, okay? So if you would recognize right there, if you're like, if you're even reacting to their rudeness, acting disrespectful in your view or anything like that, if you're even reacting to that, that reaction is telling you that you're resisting rather than embracing. And that's all you need to know. The alert parent recognizes opportunities to extend love and is willing to seize those opportunities. So, basically seizing the opportunity is in watching this reaction like someone has done something unfair to you. This is wrong. I'm the parent, I don't know, I bought you lunch today and now you're sticking your tongue out at me. I don't know. The thing is, the kids are never really doing anything. They're really just revealing to you what it is you need to know about yourself. What it is you're keeping hidden. Because it's like you're trying to get rid of this guilty feeling, this guilty self-concept that you have by making them the ones that are guilty. See that? It's kind of like a murderous game. There's always playing this, what do I feel guilty for? Okay, everyone feels guilty for believing that they separated themselves from their source. Or believing that they separated themselves from all that is. Everyone has a sense of guilt about that. And that's the reason why we can perceive ourselves as separate. It's an extrapolation of that guilty feeling. This is an extrapolation of that guilty feeling. And it's being played out so that we can heal the underlying cause of it. It's the only reason it's being played out. So when these kids are coming up and being like, nah, or I had a cute little Dylan guy go, duh. Like when I ask a question and it just seems like, oh my God. And I notice like there's this little reaction in me and I just like love that up. That's all. I just love that little reaction up.